Hello students, you all are welcome to my channel Commerce Square. I am Rupesh Shrestha, your mentor, your teacher. Today we are going to understand the topic that is interest on drawings. How we are going to calculate interest on drawings from the chapter that is Accounting for Partnership Firm Fundamentals. So let's start. So students, let's start with the topic that is calculation of interest on drawings. See students, you can see here there are three different cases, case number 1, case number 2 and case number 3. केसेस का मतलब है सिचुएशन. हमारे इस टॉपिक में तीन डिफरेंट सिचुएशंस हैं, जिसमें से पहला सिचुएशन है केस नंबर 1, दैट इज व्हेन इक्वल अमाउंट इज विथड्रॉन एट इक्वल इंटरवल ऑफ टाइम. आप इसको पहचानेंगे कैसे? क्योंकि इसमें इक्वल अमाउंट ऑफ ड्राइंग्स किया गया है एट इक्वल इंटरवल ऑफ टाइम. दैट इज द केस 1, सिचुएशन 1, राइट? सो लेट्स सी फर्दर. Before going for the calculation of interest on drawing of the case 1, let's see what are the steps for calculating interest on drawings. कौन से steps हैं जिसके बेसिस पे हम interest on drawing निकालेंगे? So this is the first step, that is first we have to calculate the total drawing, calculation of total drawings. So total drawing is equal to drawing made. So whatever the drawing you have made on a regular interval of time, वो amount लिखिए आप, into number of month होगा या क्वार्टर होगा या इट मे बी हाफ ईयरली ऑल्सो. सो इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द क्वेश्चन. जो क्वेश्चन में रेफर होगा कि इट इज मंथली, इट इज क्वार्टरली और इट इज हाफ ईयरली, सो यू कैन अप्लाई दैट, बट एंड द अमाउंट ऑफ ड्रॉइंग्स विल बी गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन, राइट? नाउ द सेकेंड पॉइंट, सेकेंड स्टेप, दैट इज टोटल ड्रॉइंग्स into rate of interest by 100 into average month by 12. This we are calculating, that is interest on drawing. This is a formula for calculating the interest on drawings. So let's start with the case number 1. Case number 1, A. When fixed amount is withdrawn in the beginning of each month oblique quarter or half yearly, whatsoever the case may be, the fixed amount. तो पहला चीज आपको समझना क्या है कि इसमें फिक्स अमाउंट होगा और ये ड्राइंग्स किया गया होगा इन द बिगिनिंग. दिस इज अ केस 1A, राइट? बिगिनिंग ऑफ ईच मंथ, क्वार्टर और हाफ ईयरली, राइट? इसका फॉर्मूला है एवरेज मंथ निकालने का, दैट इज n प्लस टी डिवाइड बाई 2. दिस इज अ फॉर्मूला, दैट इज n प्लस टी डिवाइड बाई 2. n का मतलब है, दैट इज यू कैन सी हियर, दैट इज टोटल पीरियड ऑफ ड्राइंग्स, यानी कि कितना समय अंतराल हमने लिया है, दैट इज ड्राइंग के अंतर्गत. तो टोटल पीरियड ऑफ ड्राइंग्स वी आर गोइंग टू सी हियर, दैट इज n, एंड t स्टैंड फॉर टाइम इंटरवल बिटवीन टू कॉन्जिक्यूटिव ड्राइंग्स. दो ड्राइंग्स के बीच में कितना समय आपने लिया है. ये 1 मंथ भी हो सकता है, आपका क्वार्टरली भी हो सकता है, आपका हाफ ईयरली भी हो सकता है. So it depends on the question again. So we have to calculate the total drawings, that is, and then we have to calculate the interest on drawing. So let's see the demo question here. That is, in the demo question case 1, calculate the interest on drawing of Mr. Swastik at the rate of 10% per annum for the year ended 31st December 2015 if he withdrew rupees 4,000 per month इन द बिगिनिंग ऑफ ईच मंथ. देखिए बेटा, सिचुएशन को समझना कैसे है कि इसमें आपको साफ साफ बोल रहा है कि 4,000 रुपीज पर मंथ मीन्स इक्वल अमाउंट एट बिगिनिंग ऑफ ईच मंथ मीन्स इक्वल इंटरवल ऑफ टाइम. तो आपको ये केस समझ में आ जाना चाहिए कि केस साफ साफ कह रहा है कि इसमें अमाउंट भी इक्वल है और आपका जो टाइम इंटरवल है बिटवीन द ड्राइंग्स, दैट इज ऑल्सो इक्वल. So let's see how we are going to solve this question. Step 1, as I have told you that we are going to do the step 1 first, that is calculation of total drawings. So total drawings formula क्या है? Total drawings is equal to drawing made into number of months. As in this question it has been referred monthly, so आप यहाँ पे number of months लेंगे. तो total drawings है rupees 4,000 into 12 months, that is rupees 48,000 rupees. Right? So this is the total drawing we have calculated first. Then we'll go with the step second, that is calculation of interest on drawings. The formula क्या है अपना, total drawings into rate of interest into average month by 12, right? So the most important part here is to calculate the average month. ये average month निकालना बहुत जरूरी है आपको बच्चे, इसलिए आपको पहले एवरेज मंथ निकालने का तरीका बताते हैं, उसके बाद हम कैलकुलेशन ऑफ इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग पे जाएंगे. दैट इज एवरेज मंथ इज इक्वल टू, फॉर्मूला बिगिनिंग का क्या है हमारा, इन द बिगिनिंग ऑफ ईच मंथ और क्वार्टर और हाफ ईयरली, दैट इज n प्लस टी डिवाइड बाई 2. n का मतलब है टोटल पीरियड ऑफ ड्राइंग्स, n स्टैंड फॉर टोटल पीरियड ऑफ ड्राइंग्स. तो टोटल पीरियड ऑफ ड्राइंग्स कितना है हमारा, दैट इज 12 मंथ. t कितना है हमारा, t मीन्स टाइम इंटरवल बिटवीन द टू कॉन्जिक्यूटिव ड्राइंग्स. टाइम इंटरवल एक ड्राइंग से दूसरे ड्राइंग के बीच में कितना है, वो है मंथली, दैट इज 1 मंथ, राइट. सो 12 प्लस 1 डिवाइड बाई 2, इट कम्स टू 6.5 मंथ, यानी कि 6.5 महीना, राइट. सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू अप्लाई दिस in this calculation of interest on drawing, that is 48,000 rupees, that is the total drawings, into rate of interest is 10%, so 10 by 100 we have referred here. Then month is, average month is 6.5, which we have calculated here, divided by 12, and the answer which comes here is 2,600 rupees as interest on drawings. I hope all of you have got the how we have done this. Now let's see the case number 1b. You can see here the case number 1b. When fixed amount is again fixed, which is withdrawn in the middle. In this question, the situation changes to middle of each month oblique quarter. So let's see, average month formula will be here in this question will be what, that is n by 2. देखिए मिडिल वाले केस में आपको n by 2 का फॉर्मूला लेना है, और n का मतलब मैंने आपको बताया था, n स्टैंड फॉर दैट इज टोटल पीरियड ऑफ ड्राइंग्स, right. So we are going to calculate the, that is interest on drawing in the case demo question 2. Calculate the interest on drawing of Mr. Yua at the rate of 10% per annum for the year ended 31st December 2015 if he withdrew rupees 4,000 per month in the middle of each month. Again, the amount is again fixed, that is every month he is drawing how much, that is 4,000 rupees, and in the middle of each month it is been said, right. So let's see how we are going to solve this question. Case 1b, right, it is case 1b. Step 1 will be here again, that we are going to calculate the total drawings, that is total drawing is equal to drawing made into number of months. Month again I am referring here because in this question also it has been referred month. If it is quarter, then we must have taken the, that is how many quarters we have in the particular year that we have taken, how many times, right. So total drawings is equal to what, that is 4,000 into 12, that is 4,000 rupees per month into 12 months, that is rupees 48,000 is the total amount of drawings. Now we are going to see the step 2. Before going for the calculation of step 2, let us see that how we are going to calculate again the average month, because in this situation it has been given, it is the middle of each month, hence the formula is n by 2. So n I have told you that is total period of drawings, so total period of drawings is 12 months, so 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6 months. So we are going to take 6 months as an average in this question. So the interest on drawing is, interest on drawing I am referring here IOD, it is not allowed in the board exam, so just for the saving of time I am writing this IOD, but you are not going to write in your exams, please note this. 48,000 rupees into 10 by 100 into 6 by 12, 6 is the month, average month what we have calculated here, right, and the amount of interest on drawing is rupees 2,400. Now let's see the last case, case 1C. case 1C, when fixed amount, again the amount is fixed, which is withdrawn at the end of each month, quarter or half yearly, as the question says, end of each month. So in this, the average month formula will be what? N minus T divided by 2. In the end, we are going to have the average month formula, that is N minus T divided by 2, right? So again, the N stand for the total period of drawings, T stand for टाइम इंटरवल बिटवीन टू कॉन्जिक्यूटिव ड्राइंग्स, दो ड्राइंग्स के बीच का समय अंतराल कितना है वो हमें यहाँ पर टी की जगह मेंशन करना है. अगेन द फॉर्मूला इज सेम. सो लेट्स कैलकुलेट द in the case 3 demo question, that is calculate the interest on drawing of Mr. Swastik at the rate of 10% per annum for the year ended 31st December 15 if he withdrew rupees 4,000 per month at the end of each month, हर मंथ के एंड में. तो यहाँ पर जब ये रेफर किया गया एंड में और 4,000 ईच, तो ये हमारा केस 1 का सी लग जाता है और इसमें हमारा जो एवरेज मंथ फॉर्मूला है वो कितना क्या है, n minus t divided by 2. See how we have calculated here. Step number 1, again calculation of total drawings has to be done first. Total drawings क्या है हमारा, total drawings made into number of months, that is total drawing is 4,000 per month into 12 months. So 12 into 4,000 is rupees 48,000 in total. The total drawing is 48,000 rupees. Now the step 2, interest on drawing is equal to total drawings into rate of interest into average month by 12. So again the average month we have to calculate. The average month, it is as it is the end of each month referred, therefore the formula is n minus t divided by 2. As you can see here, n refer to total period of drawings. So total period of drawings कितना है बच्चों, that is 12, and 1 is the time interval between the two drawings divided by 2. So 12 minus 1 is 11. 11 divided by 2 is coming 5.5 month, यानी 5.5 महीना हमारा इसमें जो है एवरेज मंथ आ रहा है, जो हम लोग यहाँ पे लेंगे. वी आर गोइंग टू टेक इट हियर. सो 48,000 total drawings into rate of interest 10% into 5.5 divided by 12, and the value which comes as interest on drawing is rupees 2200. I hope you have understood बच्चे about the case 1. So join for our next class, next topic, next video, that is calculation of interest on drawing case 2, and God bless you all. See you. Bye.